drinking alcohol functional group containing wine by the beach, with strong acidic conditions nearby. Why don't we stir up some fun, y'all, and make acetals? The beach ball starts rolling when an umbrella pushes it into the waves. The waves are a transforming force, going back and forth, forming reversible compounds, washing up. Another example of Le Chatelier's principle. Watch out for the crabs washing up on the beach. Those carbocations need to be pinched by some electron rearrangement. Offer the crabs a little bit of alcohol and they'll get a little stabler and prettier. Pretty wild, I'll say. They're not satisfied. Reaching towards the forgotten slingshot in the sand, they want to hurt some starfish. Calling the lifeguard. What do they have to offer? An oxocarbenium ion. The oxygen lone pair swims from down under. From on over, a seagull awaits a starry prize. The seagull is looking for excitement and moves around electrons, transforming. The seagull isn't happy with its carbocation. Moving about impatiently, it wants a prize to take home from the beach. With enough steps, step and step away, it flies as an acetal.